Hey there, Bill and Kayla here from the Wandering RV. Kayla's behind the camera, and we're talking about the Solo Stove Bonfire today. We're gonna do a review. This thing is awesome, and I can't wait to tell you why. If you wanna get one, there's a link in the description below. So we just finished unboxing the Solo Stove Bonfire, and it comes with some directions and some tips on how to use it. This bevel sits on the top, so it has to stick up, and you can actually cook over the top of this too. And then the rest of this is all one piece, everything. It also comes with the Solo Stove cover that you can actually carry it with. And this opens all the way up. And then you can just tighten it up. And it doubles as a carrying case, so you can take it around with you. So the Solo Stove, you can put any kind of kindling, twigs, leaves, or even use a fire starter to get it going at the base. And then you can put logs on top, usually about 4 to 6 of an average length, nothing too big. This might even be a bit much, but we'll leave it. And then don't forget to put the bevel back on top. And make sure it's going this way, not that way. So as you can see, we just lit it and there is smoke coming out of it, but once it actually gets going and the flames get bigger, then that smoke will start to die down and go away. So overall, I think the Solo Stove Bonfire is a fantastic investment for anyone who loves to have a good campfire like Kayla and I do. You can bring it tailgating, you can bring it in your camper with you and set it up at your campsite, or you can just have it in your backyard. But if it's too big for you and you want something a little smaller, you can take backpacking, you can look into the Solo Stove Titan or the Solo Stove Campfire, which we'll have another review on.